Cute ah.
Shay? Sino to? Ate, siya yung sa flip top, yung rapper. I-add mo, bilis! I-add mo! Okay, eto na.
Yes! Adik sa'yo, awit sa akin, nilang sawa na sa'king mga kwentong marathon tungkol sa'yo at sa ligayang iyong hatid sa aking buhay. Tuloy ang bida sa isipan ko'y ikaw. Sa umaga't sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita. Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Naghahanap ka ng maaaya, pagkat sadyang wala kang magawa. Nagsasayang ng bawat oras sa wala. Hala, na-search mo na lahat sa internet, naubos na ang load sa kakatext. Naghihintay ka lang ng may makukulit ulit. What are you waiting for? Call my number, knock on my door. Nandito lang ako. How I wish you let me know. Kung sino-sino pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan-saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. Kung sino-sino pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan-saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. Ako na lang sana.
Pagising sa umaga, text mo ang aking hanap. Lasing sa pag-ibig at ikaw ang aking alak. Parang mali, di ko alam kung tama ba ako. Ang alak yata ay ako, laks ng tama ko sa'yo. Isang patak lasing agad sapagkat ikaw yung tipong walang bisyong kinaaadikan ng lahat. Perfectong halimbawa ng dalagong Pilipina, Maria Clara, sa wakas ikaw na ay aking nakita.
It's G and Chandela on Pinoy Podcast.
Hi guys, how are you? This is Chandela, and right now I'm not with my partner G. Okay, so G, you are being missed already, and since G is not here tonight, I want to talk, or let's talk about, different things you're gonna learn when you date Mr. Wrong. Sounds interesting, huh? Okay. Here are a few things. I read this on the internet a while ago, and this is very interesting in telling you guys. So, number one is, Mr. Wrong will teach you or make you realize that life is short. Yes, life is short. Life is too short to be unhappy. Life is too short to be in a relationship that wasn't right for you. Life is too short to invest in a relationship emotionally that is not going to work. You will know by the time as you go along with the relationship that you know something is not right to begin with. But your loss, time loss, is actually not in vain. Because here you will learn that you need to be wiser next time, and you will have a good idea on how to invest your time as well as your emotions in the next relationship. So dito marirealize mo na time is gold. You know, yung mga mawawalang minuto, araw, linggo, taon sa buhay mo, hindi mo na mababalik yan eh. So you have to make the best of it. At ang magtuturo niyan, you know, surprisingly, Mr. Wrong. Yes, surprisingly, it's Mr. Wrong. Okay. Next item. He will make you realize kung ano yung mga ayaw mo at mga gusto mo. You know, dating Mr. Wrong will make you realize na ito palang mga gantong klaseng tao ang ayaw mong makasama. No? Sa isang, sa isang relationship. You know, after being in a bad relationship, you will realize kung anong mga karakter at mga traits ang importante sa'yo na gusto mong makita sana sa darating na susunod na magiging partner mo. Number 3 is not to fear starting over. Dito parang si Mr. Wrong pa rin ang dahilan na kung bakit mo marirealize na you have to start now. Now is the best time to start over. There's no better time to start over than the present. Minsan kasi, alam mo that you're in a wrong or bad relationship with Mr. Wrong, pero hindi mo pinakinggan yung sarili mo, kahit alam mo na kung saan to papunta. Kasi natatakot ka na umalis dun sa relationship na yun kasi iniisip mo, what if mas worse yung kasunod? I'd better be stuck here. Kasi baka yung susunod na makilala ko or susunod na mamahalin ko, mas worse pa dito sa present ko ngayon. You know, we are usually afraid or we don't want to go through the process of knowing or getting to know someone again. Especially if you have, invested so much time and emotions in your current relationship. But eventually, you will realize na mali ang tingin mo sa lahat ng iyon. You know? And soon, you'll realize too na mas nakakatakot magstay in a bad relationship kesa umalis. Next item is when you are dating Mr. Wrong, you will learn how little you valued yourself. Siya magtuturo niyan eh. Siya magtuturo sa'yo or siya yung magpapakita sa'yo kung gaano mo lang pinapahalagahan yung sarili mo. Siya yung nagpapababa sa self-esteem mo to the point na nasasaktan ka na. And then you'll ask, do I deserve this kind of treatment? What did I do to deserve this kind of treatment? Can you tolerate this kind of treatment? And then, papasok na yung self-love. Doon mo na marirealize ngayon, oh no! hindi pala ako dapat tinatrato ng ganito. So, pag nararamdaman mo na ng ganon, ang ginagawa ni Mr. Wrong, medyo mag-stop ka. You'll stop and you'll think. And then, kapag nakapag-isip ka ng tama at pinakinggan mo yung sinasabi sa'yo ng utak mo na you don't deserve any of this, I'm sure you're gonna love yourself more. Next is, Mr. Wrong will make you realize that being single wasn't so bad at all. Okay? Alam mo kasi may mga taong relationship person, yung hindi mabubuhay ng walang boyfriend, yung nasanay na planning for two, alam mo yun, yung nagpaplano siya lagi pang dalawang tao para sa kanya at sa boyfriend niya. But girl, hey, you don't need other people for you to have a hard time. You can have a hard time all by yourself. And please, you don't need to have someone just for the sake of having someone. In the same sense na you don't have to be in love just for the sake of falling in love. And besides, kapag single ka, you'll have more chance and time to focus on yourself. Girls, you, me, we are a work in progress, and we still are a work in progress. We grow every day. And malay mo, just when you least expected it, darating si Mr. Right. Next is, you will learn to trust your judgment, okay? Here, you will learn na pakinggan that small voice inside you. Kasi siguro when you encountered Mr. Wrong, I'm sure nakita na natin yan. Nakita na natin yung mga signs early on. Pero we ignored it. We didn't listen to our intuition. We didn't even listen to our mom. Alam mo yun, hindi mo pinakinggan yung nanay mo. Alam mo, minsan talaga, moms knows right. Knows best, rather. Siguro hindi tayo nakinig. Okay? Pero, matututo kang pakinggan yan, that small voice inside you kapag kasama mo si Mr. Wrong. You just have to learn to listen to that small voice. And believe me, if something feels wrong, well, it is wrong. Next on the list is Mr. Wrong will tell you that you are not a superhero. You cannot fix everything. You can help, but you cannot fix it. You cannot fix them. There's this one song I remember. Superwoman. That's my karaoke video favorite song. You see? I'm not your superwoman. I need to be loved also. And we just have to remember that our purpose isn't to fix people. And if you really think that way, I think, you're just kidding yourself. You just have to know that yes, you have a purpose, but that is not to fix your boyfriend or your husband. Change should come from within. Okay? Next. What is next? You will learn to let go of the bad stuff para makapasok yung mga good stuff. You know, you have to let go of all the negative people in your life para yung mga positive makapasok. You just have to know when to let go and how to move on. Mr. Wrong will just teach you sometimes that letting go and moving on is the best choice there is for you to be able to have more room for the good stuff. Next, this is not the end of the story. You know, Mr. Wrong will, typically wants us to think na pag alis niya, the end na. But no, it doesn't work that way. You know, you turn the page, I know for sure there's a new chapter that awaits. Malay mo, ito na yung happy ending. Okay. So, as crazy as it sounds, I am grateful na I have dated few guys na hindi maganda para sa akin. Because I realized and I saw the true value of what I've got. And I believe everyone has to be in a bad relationship to appreciate a good one. And besides, there's a saying that you cannot make a rainbow without a little bit of rain. Same thing when it comes to dating. So, have you dated Mr. Wrong? And what have you learned from that experience? Come on, leave us a comment. So this is Chandela without G, and I hope when he comes back we'll go on air again and go on with the G and Chandela show. But for now, it's me, Chandela. So I'll see you sometime soon, okay? Good night.
It's G and Chandela on tonight.